We're making videos. We're in the cars. I gotta go youth group. Cole's next to me. You guys don't see my mom? That's my mommy right there.
That's the back
That's my aunt right there.
That's my mom. She's beautiful.
So my mommy.
That's going on internet.
And that's the streets. And that's the Cole. We're on the internet.
Yeah, and you might seen our other video
So he was
earlier today. If not,
He seemed very genuine.
you don't know what we're talking about.
No.
So we made this video. We were just talking. Leave comments below, like here, or that video, so we can answer on our other videos and make it way more entertaining than it was of that thing. I don't really know what it was.
Okay.
But you guys are awesome. Subscribe. Be amazing.